For over 30 years, Belvac production machinery has set production standards in the metal container industry worldwide, with state-of-the-art metal container forming machinery. As the world's global brands continue to drive increased volume and competitive costs for differentiated metal containers for the beverage, aerosol, and food industries, the demand for high-speed production machinery that produces cost-effective branded containers is also growing. Belvac production machinery meets this demand with machinery and complete process solutions capable of producing branded metal containers at high speeds, with high throughput and reduced metal consumption. The Belvac Bottle Container Manufacturing System, known as the BCMS, is the solution for high-speed, high-volume, and lower-cost production of branded metal bottles or aerosol containers. The Belvac BCMS will produce a metal bottle with either a crown or ROPP closure, or an aerosol container from either a straight wall or shaped wall preform. The Belvac BCMS forms containers with a body size range of 45 millimeters up to 83.8 millimeters, and a height range of 127 millimeters up to 254 millimeters. The BCMS will create a container with a maximum neck length of 69.85 millimeters, with a maximum shoulder dimension of 75.95 millimeters. When the container is shaped on the Belvac shaper, the maximum forming capability will extend up to 200 millimeters from the top edge. The minimum neck length is 5.8 millimeters. The BCMS is rated at speeds up to 600 containers per minute, running through an alternate pocket recirculation system. After entering the machine through a dual infeed, the preformed containers are lubricated, then fed into the odd pockets on each turret. The preforms enter a series of progressive necking operations, which may include trimming stages until they reach the dual discharge. The partially formed preforms are then recirculated back through the dual infeed. They are lubricated a second time and then proceed through the even pockets of each turret to complete the bottle forming process. The bottles then enter the dual discharge for a second time and then proceed to the finishing stages to receive a crown or threaded ROPP closure, or are curled to form an aerosol container. Other finishing stages can include necking, trimming, curling, expanding, and threading. The Belvac Bottle Container Manufacturing System has pocket-to-pocket integrity, with 10 pockets for each working and transfer turret in the forming processes and 5 pockets in the turrets of the finishing stages. The turret cam is matched velocity with a 180-degree working arc. The effective push cam stroke is 114.3 millimeters, and a maximum knockout cam stroke of 72.9 millimeters. The BCMS has quick change capabilities for both height and diameter changes. In addition to the BCMS and shaper machinery, Belvac supports a full range of services to provide a total manufacturing solution. Belvac can provide container engineering services, including complete container design and development. Belvac also provides the design and configuration of the process tooling to manufacture the correct dimension container. With the completion of the preform manufacturing on the customer's front-end line, Belvac can also provide complete machinery and support solutions for a turnkey manufacturing cell to form the preform into a bottle or aerosol container. This process equipment may include a depalletizer, if required, a Belvac shaper and BCMS, all associated conveying, complete vision and inspection systems, a bottle rinser and dryer, a palletizer, and a can line control system with line awareness hardware. Additional support equipment may include chip collection systems, compressors and vacuum pumps, a wastewater system, and support structures. Belvac can also provide project management and startup support, including project tasks and schedules, equipment pre-shipment inspections, complete coordination on the container, on-site project reviews, installation and commissioning, and factory startup support and training. Belvac provides world-class machinery and manufacturing process solutions for the metal container manufacturing industry as well as the brands they support. Belvac's full-service solutions include support for container design and engineering, and a broad range of machinery for container shaping solutions, as well as machinery installation and startup. Belvac will also support full container qualification processes. Choose Belvac. The Belvac partnership solution is the right choice for all your metal container forming needs.